What's up, guys? It's March 6th, 2024. We got a range day. You might be looking at these buy sell buttons. I'm recording this a little bit into the trading day. My neighbors are doing construction, so my recording time's changed just for a little bit. Um, yeah, so the day is going on, but I put it back so you just see it like it's usual. So with that being said, range day, big up, we had a big down move. We had a big up move, big down move, and now we have a big up move and a big down move. It's a range day. Pretty boring. Got really choppy at the end of the day. This was tough. I caught a couple scalps. I got chewed up a little bit, so it's pretty much nothing here. But I made it a little bit up here. Caught that leg. I feel like my voice is kind of going. I got some coffee though. That's actually supposed to be a green bar. So, big gap up, no continuation. Bar 1 is no continuation. Bar 2 it shows a breakout from bar 1's range. Bar 3 is a pullback. Bar 4 makes a new leg. Bar 5 is a pullback. And bar 6 and 7 make a new leg down. That's a wedge bottom into the EMA. And with a gap up, we could be looking for a pullback or a continuation. Bar 8 shows a bounce off the EMA and no continuation for bar 7. Bar 7 was a really nice bear bar, so we have to be asking ourselves, like, why does a really nice bear bar get no continuation? That's suspicious. So if you're short, I think it'd be okay to get out. At least I was actually short, and I got out right as the bar 10 started to turn up. Instead of a retest, I just got out. Yeah, so bar 10, bullish pressure, lots of wicks. We're buying against bar 7, big bear bar. However, bar 13 here is a really good reversal bar. It's kind of like an outside bar. It goes below bar 12's tail by one tick, and it closes high above. So that is an outside bar. It's a form of a reversal. It's a breakout of a bull flag. There's a double top here. Bear stops are here. Bull flag breakout. This is a high 2. Breakout, high 1, pullback, high 2. This is kind of the same price high 2. Someone was asking me a question like in the comments. So basically a second entry is considered a low 1, or I mean a second entry is considered a low 2 or a high 2. And that's not necessarily the case, because look here. Here is so here's a pullback. This could be a high 1, right? And then the bulls get another pullback. So what, is this your high 2? Are you gonna take this second entry long? Well, no, because it's actually a high 2 in a bear channel. But now let's say this is a pullback, high 1, pullback. Bar 16, if it was like one tick above bar 13, it would make a better example. I'm trying to see if there's actually a really good example here. Let me see. I want to give you a real example, not like a let's make it up in our head example. So here's an example. So here we have a bull flag, a pullback. This would be the pullback. First high after a pullback. New high, pullback, and this could be considered a high 2 at a worse price because it broke out of the bear channel. High 1, high 2. This could be considered a high 2 if this is a high 1 and that's still within the bear channel, and it ultimately does pull back before it goes off. The reason high 2 and low 2s work nicely is because it shows one side has failed twice in one direction. So bulls get a buy the close rally here after the breakout. After this bar, a small pullback, and they get a buy the close rally to a new high. You get a deep pullback retesting the breakout here with bar 25, and they make 2 legs higher here, leg 1, leg 2, and then it goes range bound for a couple, about 15 bars. Start to get really big bear bars. These are climactic. We could ask ourselves, are these breakouts or sell vacuums? To me, they were sell vacuums because we had a really big uptrend. Not necessarily a really big uptrend, but we were uptrending, and then all of a sudden we get bear bars. So this is taking out stops. We're vacuuming into support, we're vacuuming into the EMA, and just went complete sideways. Really garbage tight trading range for the end of the day. Let's go over the leg 1, leg 2 moves. I don't know. Doing this in the morning kind of sometimes confuses me for some reason. Leg 1, leg 2. Here to here. That was met with the outside bar. We can say if you're looking for that, that's also met with bar 18. And you can see these wicks are like profit taking coming into resistance. maybe you want to look for leg 1, leg 2 move here. I think not the best place to look for leg 1, leg 2 move. You would get trapped because technically this is a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, leg 5, and leg 6. Every opposite bar, trend channel line break can be considered a pullback. I caught this leg 1, leg 2 move here. This was nice. Here, here, and here. Pretty legit. And yeah, that's the leg 1, leg 2 moves for today. You know, it was not a lot of leg 1, leg 2 moves. If you were short in the open, you could go for this leg 1, leg 2 move, but I don't really even think it's worth trading the open. That's why I hit out really quick, because I'm just not into it. If you trade the open, look into thinking about fading rather than going with the trend. So if you had bought this bar, you get trapped, you buy more, you get out here. You buy more, you make money. If you sell, you make money, but you're not going to make a lot of money. You're going to get trapped here. If you sell, yeah, I don't know. The mornings are usually range bound. So here, see, you could buy the bull, buy that, you make money. Short that, you make money. But it was also a trend yesterday, so not the best example. Here's a more range bound open. You can short bull bars for a couple points, buy bear bars for a couple points. That's why I don't trade the open, because it's counterintuitive trading breakouts. Where are we in the market cycle? Within the 5-minute time frame, the market cycle was, we had legs, so we had a breakout channel. This would be the channel, but this reversal is the breakout. So that looks so messy. So the bears get a failed breakout, reversal for the bulls starts the breakout, channel phase, then it goes range bound, and then the market tries to trend again, but ends up going range bound. So what's the market cycle? It's breakout. My eyes are closed. I'm trying to think. It's breakout, channel phase, and then range, and then it resets. So where are we in the overall market cycle? I think we're kind of in a reset mode, because we had a trend, we were in range, we broke out, we had a channel, now we're ranging again. I'm trying my best to act like I don't know what's going on right here, but I think there was like a gap up and a bull flag. I can't do the market replay on these charts because they're split. So so you guys are looking at the date. This is today so far. It's respecting the trend line. The trend line is getting more tested. This is a breakout of 3-1. I'm probably just gonna delete that. I don't even remember. So yeah, pretty good day. I appreciate all your support. I'm taking a small break from physically trading because I got slaughtered one day, and I was like, you know what? I just want to take a breather from physically trading. I'm still going to be doing these videos, and this is an opportunity to work on the blue book and get more videos out for you guys. It didn't really click like how many people wanted to see the blue book for me. So I don't want to leave everyone hanging. I do like working on it. I'm learning a lot. I appreciate the support. Thank you for always watching and dropping comments. Welcome everybody. All the new members, if you made it this far, you are awesome. I know a very select few of you make it this deep into my videos, so thank you for that. I hope you guys have a good one. I appreciate all of you. Have a good day. Use your stop loss. Bye.